Welcome to the video. We are going to create a bootable ISO for Windows 10. To do so, we're going to use the Windows Update Assistant. It's a tool that's going to allow us to download the ISO that we need. We're going to select Download the Update Assistant. And from this page, we're going to scroll down and under where it says Create Windows 10 Installation Media, we're going to download the tool now. Next step, we're going to open the command prompt and browse to the location we downloaded the media creation tool. And then we're going to include the switch Eula accept, retail, MediaArch, the architecture, the language that we're going to use, as well as the version that we want to download with this tool. All of these switches will be down in the description, as well as highlighted in the video. Once we have this entire switch typed out, we're going to hit enter, and we're going to see the tool load, and it should download the enterprise version of Windows 10. Here we're going to be prompted to enter a product key. We're going to use a public KMS product key to download the particular version of Windows 10 that we want. This is just solely for us to be able to get the enterprise ISO. So we're going to go to Google and type Windows 10 KMS, and we're going to see some public client keys that are made available to anyone on the internet. So we're going to scroll down here under the key management page and select the Windows 10 product key we're going to need to download the ISO from Microsoft directly. These keys will also be down in the bio, as well as the links to help you find these product keys. Just going to highlight the key here, copy, go back to the media creation tool, paste. As you can see, the product key works. Now we're going to hit next. We're going to select create installation media because we want the ISO file. Hit next. Select ISO file. Next. And then we're going to give the ISO file a name and save it to one of our local drives. So we'll put Windows 10 Enterprise and the build number. Hit save. And then we'll let the download verification process happen. Now we have a full copy of the Windows 10 ISO downloaded with the latest build, some of the latest updates that we can continue and go and create a bootable ISO with a product called Rufus. So I'm going to go ahead here and double click the ISO just to show that we do have all the standard folders and bits that would be included in a Windows 10 installation disk. And that's going to show up here in the Explorer window that you see right this second. So everything looks good. We've got the boot, UEFI, source support, the setup.exe. These are all standard folders and files that should be there. Now let's head over to create a bootable ISO with Rufus. Thanks for watching. Welcome back. We're going to download a tool called Rufus. This tool is going to allow us to take our .iso file, our Windows ISO that we just downloaded previously, and turn it into a bootable USB drive. You will need a USB drive. Something 8 to 10 gigs or more would be perfect. So I'm going to browse and select download from this page. All links will be in the description. As always, to help. So I'm going to run this tool. I usually hit no for the updates. You get yes if you'd like. And here we have the tool here. I'll also include in the description, more detailed information on, the file type, the cluster size, other changes that is out of the scope of this video. We just want to show you the actual tool and how to just take the ISO and convert that ISO to a bootable USB drive. So as you can see here, I have my thumb drive plugged in. It's a 16 gig thumb drive. I'm going to browse to the Windows 10 Enterprise ISO that we created. It allows me to look at the type of partition I want to use, the target system I want to work with. I can label the ISO. I can actually label the USB to whatever I want it to be called, so that when this is complete and I plug this USB drive in, it'll show that. But for this, again, for the sake of this video, this is just to show you the possibilities of creating this USB drive. So we're going to hit start, and it's going to start the process of creating this bootable drive. Fast forward to the video here a bit, and that's it. It's complete. If I take that USB drive out of my computer, plug it in, boot to USB, here we go.